All right, what's going on, guys? This is Justin. I'm going to be making this YouTube page back active again with a lot of motorcycle videos and stuff. As you guys know, I think the last time I made a video was about 2 years ago. I was on a green 2014 Ninja 300, and I just want to give you guys a quick look at my new bikes. Right here I have my 2008 gsxr 600. A lot of modifications on it, stretched, lowered. And if you go back here, I have my 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 300. Just did a plastic dip on the windshield. I'm going to be coming out with a lot of new content, guys, on how to do maintenance on the motorcycle. I have a lot of new projects to do on this bike. As you guys can see here, I'm going to be doing new air filter, new spark plugs. I'm going to be installing a new headlight. I got my oil over here, doing an oil change. Got my 4 quarts of oil. Have my oil filter. I'm going to be doing some chain maintenance, showing you guys how to clean the chain. I'm going to be doing some plastic dip projects. As you can see, I kind of plastic dipped this helmet 2 days ago. Came out pretty good here. And also this windshield. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know this page will be back active. I'm gonna be putting a lot of cool videos out there, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave in the comments what do you want to see. But yeah, here's my bike here. Also, I'm installing a new license plate holder. Just got to connect the wires to get that light to come on, and I'm gonna be spray painting my frame for my license plate, and I'll be putting that on there. So as you guys can see, got a lot of projects going to be going on. I'm also going to be doing some riding videos of me just talking, you know, the background on myself, how to do various things, and a little biography about myself. So yeah, guys, just keep in tune, keep in touch. See ya. Peace.